Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect frames in Figma. This is an essential skill for creating interactive prototypes and testing user flows directly within your design file. Let's jump right in and get your frames connected. First things first, open your Figma application on your device. Once Figma is up and running, navigate to and open the project where you want to connect frames. This could be any design project where you're working with multiple artboards or screens that need to flow together in a prototype. Now that your project is open, click on the first frame you want to connect. This is the starting point of your interaction. Selecting this frame is crucial because it tells Figma where the connection should begin. You'll notice the frame highlights when selected, confirming you're ready to move forward. Next, shift your attention to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see several tabs, and you need to click on the one labeled Prototype. This tab is where all the magic happens for creating interactive experiences. Switching to the prototype view unlocks all the tools you need to link your frames together and define how users will navigate through your design. Once you're in the prototype tab, look at the side of your selected frame. You should see a small plus icon appear. Go ahead and click on this plus icon. As you click it, a blue connection line will appear. Drag this line across to the frame you want to connect to. This visual connection represents the flow from one screen to another, essentially mapping out your user journey. After you've connected the two frames, you'll notice a small interaction panel appears. This is where you can edit the interaction details. Click on it to customize how the transition works. You can set the trigger to on-click, which means the transition will happen when a user clicks on the first frame. This is perfect for simulating button clicks or any tap interactions in your prototype. Now that your interaction is set up, it's time to see it in action. Look toward the upper right corner of your Figma window and click the play icon. This will launch the preview mode, allowing you to test your prototype exactly as a user would experience it. You can click through your connected frames and see the flow you've just created come to life. And that's it. You've successfully connected frames in Figma and created an interactive prototype. This simple workflow is the foundation of prototyping in Figma and will help you communicate your design ideas much more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.